What's up, guys? This is Angela Day with Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. And for those of you who don't know, I have been an English teacher for the past 20 years, and I am so excited to be here to help everyone with their English language learning goals. Each week, you can write to me and ask me any question you want about the English language, like, what is a conjunction and how in the world do you say onomatopoeia? It took me a long time to say that one. So, without further ado, let's get started. Ado? Ado? What does that mean? No worries, I've got you covered. Hit it.
Letter of the week. Profe Angela. What is the difference between it's and its? Thanks, Daniela, Barranquilla, Colombia. Hey Daniela, great question. Well, it's, IT apostrophe S, is short for it is or it has. If you cannot expand this in your sentence to it is or it has, then it is wrong. And on the other hand, it, ITS, is used for his or hers, or when the owner is neutral.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Write a sentence with the verb to give in the simple present tense. Now remember, use the correct verb tense that will agree with the subject of your sentence.
Thank you, Daniela, for that awesome question, and good luck, you guys, on that sentence challenge. Write your sentences in the comment box below, and each week I will give you feedback. Also, you can use the comment box to send in your questions about anything you have on the English language. I really like the letters I've received so far, and I cannot wait to make more amazing videos just for you. Well, that's it, guys, for today on Ask Profe Angela, where you are the stars of your English language learning experience. If you guys are English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. Thanks for watching.